Iterative and incremental development are crucial concepts in Agile. Let's start by comparing linear development versus iterative development. Linear development is very simple. You have a plan and a goal, so you execute the plan to achieve the goal. That's easy. However, if there are deviations on the original plan, or someone needs to change the goal that was not part of the original plan, it's not very easy to manage. In an iterative development, we start with an initial plan or a draft and an initial goal. During the execution, we will have iterations with points of control. At the end of each iteration, we check how we are doing according to the plan and a goal to take corrective actions. We plan the next iteration and continue. We check and act again, and so on for every iteration. If the initial goal changes, we can always adapt to it. If during the execution someone has new ideas, there are external changes, new taxes or anything that was not in the initial plan but they have an impact on us, we can always include them and react on time. Agile methodologies use iterative development in order to inspect the progress to the goal and adapt to unpredictable factors. Now let's compare modular development versus incremental development. As an example, let's suppose that our customer wants a ball to play. In modular development, you build different parts of the product that are not usable. You assemble them in phases until all parts are integrated together and the product is ready to use. In incremental development, we start with an initial ball that is usable and we give it to the user to learn about his needs. The customer says that looks fine, but it doesn't adhere well to the floor, so we take that as new requirements, we add some rubber on it and give it back to him. The customer says that that was an improvement, but he thinks that the problem is also that it's too light, and also asks if it's possible to make it blue. So we fill it with a heavier material and change the color. In modular development, the users tell us their requirements in the beginning, and if they don't like the product, their frustration is high, and it's typical to blame them, saying that they don't know what they want. Agile methodologies accepts that it's difficult to know what one wants, especially with new stuff, until one uses it, and we cannot guess it either. So, incremental development is preferred to provide early usable versions of the product, fail fast if the vision is not good enough, get feedback early, learn fast and improve it so that the users can get what they really need. We learn with them.